Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Bahama Mamma Shake. So I'm adding my ice and water. I'm going to do about 20 ounces of ice and water. This is going to be for a 20-ounce dome. I have pineapples and strawberries in the bottom. I'm adding some coconut extract. Doing 2 scoops of the Pina Colada healthy meal. 2 scoops of our vanilla protein drink mix. I'm going to blend that, and I'm going to put 2 squirts of strawberry syrup in the bottom, so when I pour the shake in, it makes a really pretty design. And that's it. That's how you make the Bahama Mamma Shake. Thanks for watching.